Hi friends, Ranjita here. Today we're going to see how we can make cute and customized hairbands for our little ones using some basic supplies. Firstly, let's see what we will need. Cut the felt in shape of petals of a flower. I have used metal cutting dies, but you can cut them with scissors as well. Arrange the petals in layers to get a 3D effect. Once you are happy, stick them onto a hairband with hot glue gun. Your hairbands are ready. Here are some samples of hairbands I have made experimenting with different colors and types of flowers. These are beautiful gifts. They are easy, quick and budget friendly. Do give it a try. Your little one will love them. Thank you for stopping by. Please subscribe to get updates on more videos. Follow me on my social media to know more unique handmade gifting options.